The sun that shines all day so bright, I wonder where it goes at night. He sinks behind a distant hill, and all the world grows dark and still. And then I go to bed and sleep until the day begins to peep. And when my eyes unclose, I see the sun is shining down on me. While we are fast asleep in bed, the sun must go, I've heard it said, to other countries far away, to make them warm and bright and gay. I do not know, but hope the sun, when all his nightly work is done, will not forget to come again and wake me through the window pane. Children, the poet in this poem, he is fascinated with the sun, that it shines brightly on us the whole day and hides behind a far hill at night, after which it becomes dark and quiet everywhere. The day's activities come to rest. After this, the poet also goes to sleep. When the sun rises, the day begins again. While still lying in bed, the poet sees the sparkling rays falling on him. The poet further says that he has heard that when the night falls and everyone is in deep sleep, the sun goes to the far-off countries to make people there warm, illuminated, and cheerful. The poet hopes that the sun will not forget to come every day after finishing his night work, that is, after shining brightly in other countries, to wake up the poet with its soothing rays falling through his window pane.